Echo River, South Jetty. This is what we got going today. Big ass storm. January 18th or something. There it is. Look at the size of these waves. Standing all different ways.
Whoa!
Hey, ripping.
Turn it up.
Up the river, over 50,000 coming out of this thing right now. Got redwoods coming flying out of here right now. There's Highway 101.